Welcome to Uswai Rasool. Dua after drinking milk. Allahumma barik lana fihi wazidna minhu. Allahumma ए अल्लाह बारिक बरकत फरमा लाना हमारे लिए फी इसमें वा और जिद ज्यादा दे ना हमें मिन्हु इससे। अल्लाहुम्मा बारिक लना फीही वज़िदना मिन्हु। In English we say, O Allah, bless us in it and give us increase of it. Milk contains many vitamins and minerals which give strength to our teeth, eye, brain, gut, bones and intellect. So add milk in your daily diet and stay strong. And never forget to say dua after drinking milk. If you like the video, then remember to like, share and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.